Hi guys, I'm Aaron Eller. I'm one of the partners with Cash Offer Man. We're located here in St. Louis, Missouri, and we buy houses all throughout the St. Louis area and St. Louis Metro. We even buy houses out in Columbia, Jefferson City, Springfield, Hannibal. So anywhere within St. Louis or Missouri, we're interested in taking a look and making you an offer. Our entire team is local here, and today we are talking about how do you sell a property as is. So first off, selling a house as is not for everyone. It depends on your house, it depends on your situation. But selling to a home buying company that can buy as is and pay you cash can save you a lot of headache if your property may need a lot of repairs. And so, what does a lot of repairs mean? Because obviously, it's very subjective based on what you determine is a nice house or not. And so, when we're looking for repairs, obviously, you kind of have two categories. You have a livable and non livable category. So, a house that's non livable, doesn't have working electric, doesn't have working plumbing, it has structural issues, it has, extensive mold or, termites. Anything like that is going to be, a quite a bit of a substantial rehab, and it's going to be required to have a rehab for anyone to live in there. A family can't move in to rent it out or to own it without it being upgraded. Now, another type of property is just a property that's outdated. Maybe it has the same kitchen for the past 30 or 40 years. It's in perfect, livable condition. Everything works. Everything is clean, but it's just outdated. So for those properties, you might not have to sell it as is, but it might also be beneficial to sell it as is because you might not get top dollar on the market because people are looking for more updated, modern houses, especially with the prices that they're going for today. So if you're interested in selling your house as is or getting a cash offer on your house, please head to our website, cashofferman.com. That's just as it sounds, cashofferman.com, or give us a call today at 314-912-4939. As again, I'm Aaron Eller. I'm local here in St. Louis. Our office is based in St. Charles. You can come in anytime. Just give us a call and we'll work with you. Thank you guys and have a great rest of your day.